Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm going to show you how to start copy trading on the Bybit exchange and also share with you my copy trading results. But before we start the tutorial, be sure to click the link on the top description to sign up on Bybit and start trading with zero trading fees in all spot pairs and also earn up to 4,000 USDT in rewards on your first deposits and trades. Okay, let's start the copy trading tutorial. So on the home page, just go to copy trading on the top. As you can see, got a lot of people. So the first guy has a 100% win rate on the 7 days. But not only that, he has 100% on the 3 weeks. And he had 126,000 money made for his follower. The second guy has less, so 80%, but all of these guys are full. This one has 58, that's not really good. But let's go to the second page. We got a guy with 94%, we want 100. So we got Dragon Red with 100%. So we're just gonna click on his profile to check out his statistics, guys. So as you can see, we can see his earning statistics, so return of investments, but also his copy trade. So as we can see, he's doing a lot of Bitcoin, guys, and Ethereum. So as we can see, he made 1% a trade, so that's not bad. Let's look at his second page. He's shorting Ethereum, making 13%, 14%. So yeah, guys, that's looking really good. So now let's go back and click on the copy. So at the top, you can see all the available copy trading pairs, and I'm just gonna unclick everything because I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most trustworthy, so just unclick anything. Then the second thing is a position mode. Isolated means you can only lose the money that you're gonna put in. So we're gonna choose a leverage of 5. This means we can make 5 times our money. The order cost has to be between 10 and 1,000. This means we have to put $10 to $1,000 every single trade. But now, how can you put money on? So you have to put money on your derivatives account, and I'm gonna show you guys right now how to put money from spot to derivatives. So you're gonna go back to the Bybit homepage, guys, and then at the top you're gonna go to derivatives, USDT perpetual and Bitcoin USDT, for example. So after this finally loads, you will have an option with transfer at the right, guys. So there you see you can click on transfer, and if you click on transfer, guys, at the derivatives, a pop-up will open and you will be able to trade from your spot to your derivatives account. So now we're gonna choose from our spot to our derivatives, and we have a max amount of 34 USDT. So you're just gonna click on 30 and we're gonna confirm. And if we go back to our copy trade now, we will see that we have $30 in our copy trading account. So as you can see, we can transfer now from derivatives to our copy trading account, and then we got $30 on our account. This means if we take an order cost of $10 a trade, we can do 3 trades. So that's not really a lot, and I'm going to show you guys when I get my results why you need up to 20 trades or at least 10. But yeah, guys, so we're going to copy right now and then start our copy trading, and I will be back to you guys in 1 day to show you my results, what I made from $30. So here we are the next day, and let's check out our copy trading account. So we're gonna go to copy trading, guys, and then when this loads, my copy trade. So as you can see, after a day we actually made already profit of 2.64, and we're still in the running for 3 new trades, guys, which are already also in the profit. So if we take our calculator and we're gonna see how much profit we made in a day, so we're gonna add that to the $30, guys, and then just divide it by 30, and then we can know our exact percentage, and we made 8.8% in 1 day. So that's amazing money, guys. And also, guys, if you want to close your trade, so you can also decide yourself. So what you're gonna do, guys, is you just go to copy trading and then my copy trade. So again, for people who just want to see this part, and then you're just gonna click close, and then you close when you want, because in a copy trade the host or the master close it, but you can also decide to close. And if you want to change your copy settings, just go to copy trading and just find the guy you're in. I think you can type it at the top as well, I don't know the easiest way. So you're just gonna click on view, guys, and now you can adjust. So you just go to copy trading settings at the top, and now you can just adjust. So I didn't have enough money, guys, so I'm gonna put some more money, because he does more than 3 trades a day, sometimes 10, 20 a week, and sometimes he keeps trades open for a long time, like people keep trades for like 20 days, so that's why you want to do it. So because if we go to the statistics, he has, as you can see, has 8 trades open now, or 9, and I can only join 3. And if you miss 20 trades in a row because you don't have too much money, you will be kicked out the follower list. So that's why you need to have at least, I think, 20 to maybe 25 trades open, guys. So that's everything for now. Always be sure to check a lot of the statistics of the copy trader, how long they're on the exchange. That's really important. How much profit they're making every week, how big are they trading, because this guy is doing short 2 times, long 3 times with not that much money, so he's in the most advanced trader. So these are my tips, guys, for if you want to find a good copy trader. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like if you did, subscribe to my channel for more crypto content, be sure to sign up on the exchange if you want to start copy trading, and YouTube. Until the next time.